guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anika and today I'll be unboxing the new Series 6 Apple Watch. I got mine with a silver aluminum case and a white sports band in 40mm. This just came out and I did get it for my birthday, so it's really exciting and I'm really excited to open it and show it to you guys. So before we get started, make sure you like and comment on my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Also, click the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, let's get started. So you just pull two tabs on the bottom and then it just opens up from the bottom. I think this is like the new packaging design they have. And then on the inside, it has kind of like an animated version of Apple Watches. So first, I'm going to start off with the actual watch. And then we'll do the band. So here's like a little like pamphlet of kind of the instructions of how to charge it and stuff. And then it comes with a charger as well. It does not come with an adapter. I don't think any Apple Watch comes with the adapter. But I've never had an Apple Watch before, so this is very exciting. So this is the silver aluminum case, and this is the watch. And the new thing with the new Series 6 Apple Watch is that you can like measure your blood oxygen level. So I really hope that works because it'd be pretty exciting to do that. And now let's open the white sports band. This also comes with a little set of instructions, I think it is. Yeah. It just says like the website and everything to find the instructions to attach this to the Apple Watch. So I think I need to try out and see whether I need a small and medium band or a medium and large band. I'm going to try the small and medium band first, and then I'll try the medium and large band. It's pretty easy to just attach the band, you just have to slide it in. So the smaller one goes on the top, and the larger one, I believe, goes on the bottom. Just slide it in. And that's how you put together the Apple Watch and the band. Now, let me try it on and see whether I need this one or the medium and large band. I think I might need the medium and large band. Okay, you have to push this button. This one is pretty hard to see, but it's right there. You have to push it and then you can take the band out. After hours of trying, I finally got it out, and now I'm gonna try the medium and large one. So while I was taking the other band out, the small and medium one, yep, this one fits perfectly. So while I was taking that out, I pressed this button and it turned on. So now I think I need to pair my phone with it. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. So I just finished setting up my Apple Watch, and when I was playing around with it to see all the little things that it can do, I wanted to test my blood oxygen level because that's a new feature that came along with the new Apple Watch Series 6. So when I want to do that, I actually found out that you have to be at least 18 years old to do that. So that's something that I did not know before purchasing the Apple Watch. So this may change your decision whether you want to buy it or might not. So I just wanted to say that. And I did not do this, but if you are like if you're like a family member and like someone setting up an account for you, you also won't be able to test your blood oxygen level through that. So it was really fun unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 6 with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment on my videos, and please subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!